Hi, I'm Phil Sadler, Sales Executive here at Wrexham Volkswagen. I'm going to show you around our Volkswagen Sharan. This is the 2 litre TDI DSG finished in a deep black pearl that we have on sale here. This car has got a very high spec car. If you're after leather, you'd be glad to see it's got leather interior. It's got the upgraded 18-inch alloy wheels as well. It's got keyless entry. Really nice soft leather, and obviously it's got the glass panoramic sunroof. It's also got on here as well the electric sliding doors that works off your key fob, so easy access into the rear. And they've got 2 USB ports as well as 3 individual ISOFIX seats. The car has been used as a demonstrator by the staff member, and it's also got electric boot as well. And as it's got the booster seats, I'll show you how that works. It's also got the tow bar, so you pull that down and the tow bar comes out. So if you are going on a really family journey, then you can tow something without having the expense of having one fitted. So the booster seat works on the other side by, if you see the handle just there, you pull it upwards and it locks into place. So as you can see, it's slightly higher, and then you just change the headrest for the children in the back. It's got push button start, adaptive cruise control, sat nav, heated seats, climate control, obviously starting the car, pop it in reverse, and the rear view camera pops out the back as well. This is a really well spec car, this. There's not a great deal that you can add to it. So for more details, please make sure when you inquire, you ask for myself, that's Phil Sadler, or my colleague Yusuf. We're the internet specialist team that can help you further. Many thanks.